Look, are you tired of getting to the end of your sales process or call and then they say, oh, this looks good, I just really need to think it over? Today I'm going to show you a couple of different probing questions you can use to probe deep enough to pull out their emotional drivers. So let's say if a prospect says some type of emotional word. They say, got stress, or I'm frustrated, or I'm annoyed. See, those are emotional words. So you want to capitalize on that. How do you mean by stress? See, that's a probe. Okay, we have to probe deeper. How do you mean by stress, John? Well, we've had this stress and blah, blah. Oh, and how long has that been going on for? The past 3 years? So going through that stress, has that had an impact on you? Notice my tone when I say that. I don't want to say, has that had an impact on you? Well, not really. Has that had an impact on you? Oh my gosh, well, in what way though? That triggers their emotional state where they go deeper because they've let their guard down, all right?